Hello viewers, today I was telling about how to make rainbow text on Instagram. For that we need to go to Instagram account and click on the profile or click on the home button. So here I was click on my story. Here I was taking a dark image. After that I was texting that happy new year. Here we have a text option. We need to click on that happy new year. So I was taking a different font. So I was taking this font and I was clicking on done. So here we have a symbol of uh, colors. It looks like a rainbow. We need to click on that. So here we have different types of colors. Which would you like? You do not take means just take it. So if you like, if you change these colors to like a rainbow, first of all you need to click on happy. I was choosing this side. I was changing the color like this. So after I was clicking on the new and I was changing the color like this. We can change our Instagram text color like a rainbow. Thank you.